Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah man, so today a Good Friday. Happy Easter everyone, happy Easter. Yeah, today a Good Friday. So we get a lot of rainy day. So big up on yourself, you know when I watch from. Yeah man, a lot of rain is falling at the place, you know. Showers of blessings. Hope everybody enjoy them banana and cheese. Anyone know I watch from? Not everybody eat banana and cheese, but big up on yourself. Look on the side of the road, you see how much water. So anyone can tell me where I'm driving. Yeah man, anyone can leave in the comment section. Tell me which part may I drive. If you don't know Jamaica like that. Yeah man, so you can leave in the comment section and guess where I'm driving. Don't know if you all will be looking very keenly and see where I'm driving. A whole heap of water there on the road and you can see it. So you have to be careful on the road. You know a blessing still, farmer them want some rain. I have to give them money some way because I move fast in the water. You know, say if your car no good, you can't come in the water, it shut off and oh no. Yes, my paper, one love and one heart. Just the vibes, you know. Rainy day in Jamaica. Wow. Water pan glass. So always remember to like up the video free of cost. So we touring to Jamaica on Good Friday. And you know, happy Sabbath, everybody happy Sabbath. No, so when they're home and rain and fall, very nice. Eat some nice fried dumpling and Milo tea. Look on the water on the road, man. Wow. Hope somebody gets the location. Yeah man, we all supposed to know this location. So leave in the comment section. You see the man peel him cane. Nice to buy some sugar cane. Some sugar cane and bring it back overseas. Cause them place the water circle. Yeah man, like a river. Brother man broke his stoplight, you see that? Like a boss now, look out the eye gun. Driving in the rain, you have to look out for pothole, you know. Drop in a hole and chop your tire. You have to wait till the rain finish. That'll cost you some money. Happy Good Friday, everybody. Happy Good Friday. So no matter what you do, have to put the Lord first. Yeah man, He guide us, He protect us. So remember, in your going out and coming in, always give the Lord thanks and praise. So have a wonderful day.